welcome back to online classes. In previous classes we done revision of lesson 1. Now we are going to revise lesson 2. Okay, in previous classes I tell you the portion of pre-midterm. So I am repeating again. Lesson 1 shapes and space, lesson 2 number names from 1 to 9, and lesson number 3 addition. These 3 chapters will be coming in your pre-midterm exam. Okay children? Okay. So shall we start revision of lesson 2? So here we are. Maths revision for lesson number 2, numbers from 1 to 9, isn't it? I hope you all are studying at your home. Okay, good. First, we will write difficult words. Okay. So I am going to write over here. Question 1. Difficult words. You have to study this all. Which questions I am doing revision over here. You have to study. Okay. This will helpful for your pre-mid exams. So study well at your home. First one is 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Second one is number. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. Third one is after. A-F-T-E-R. After. Fourth one is between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Fifth one is first. F-I-R-S-T. I am going to add one more word is zero. Z-E-R-O. Zero. So this is your difficult words, students. Okay. So you have to do practice. Read this all spelling at your home. Okay, good. Now note down this difficult words at your copy and do revision. Which questions I am giving to you. I am doing revision. I am giving revision. So you have to write in your copy. Understood? Okay. Now next one is write the number names. You have to write the second question. Write the number names from 1 to 9. Isn't it? From 1 to 9 we have to write the names of number. So here is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Isn't it? First we will write the number, then we will write the spelling or number name. Isn't it? Okay, the spelling of 1 is O-N-E. 1. The spelling of 2 is T-W-O-2. The spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E. 3. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. The spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E. 5. The spelling of 6 is S-I-X. 6. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N. The spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T and the spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9, isn't it? So the number names from 1 to 9 is this. You have to do practice in your copy, and please children, do practice at your home. Minimum you have to do practice 2 times. You have to write at your copy. Okay, 2 times, minimum 2 times you have to write. Do practice. Now next question we are going to write over here. Now next question is after, before and between number. I am going in the form of fill-ups. Write the after, before and between. First one is I will take two questions from after number, before number and between numbers. Okay, I will take from each one two examples. So first we will take from before number. First we will take before number. Second, after number, and in last, between number. Isn't it? So this way it will helpful to understand what is after number, what is before number and what is between number. First we will take the example of before number. Dash is just come before 9. Dash is just come before 4. Isn't it? Like this only we can write. Dash is just come after 6. Dash is just come after 3. And 7 and dash is between 7 and 9. Dash is come between 2 and 4. Isn't it? This spelling is given over here. So now you all learned in your previous classes, you all learned about before number, after number and between number, students. I hope you all understand that. But once again I am going to explain you that before number just comes before. That means in your left hand which number is coming first is called before number. In your right hand which number is coming is called after number, and in the center number is called between. Isn't it? First 9 comes before. Mean in 9 in your left hand which comes before 9? So shall we count? So 1, 2. Here I am taking, drawing a scale for this before, after and between number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Isn't it? So, in before number, 9 is coming before, this 9 is coming before 8. So, here we write, our answer is 8. Now, dash is just come before 4. So, before mean in your left hand, which number is coming first? 3. So, our answer is 3 because 3 is just coming before 4. Now, come in after number. So, here dash is just come after 6. Which number is coming after? So, I am going to tell you. Earlier I also tell you that after number means which number is coming in your right hand. So, in right hand, this way we have to check the numbers which is coming after 5, after 6, after 3, after 2. We have to check. So, dash is just come after 6. Which number is just coming after 6? Is 7 is just come after 6. 6 then 7. Then dash is just come after 3. So, after 3 which number is coming? So, here we have to move towards right hand. So, this is our answer. 4 is just come after 3. Now, between number which is in the center. Which is in center. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here we are having number. So, in this question what is asked? 7 and 8. Dash is between 7 and 8. 7 and 8, okay, is between. Dash is between. So, here we are seeing that 8 is between in 7 and 9. The number which is in center is called between number. So, here 9 is between 7 and my mistake. 8 is between 7 and 9. Here 8 is between 7 and 9. Now next one is dash is come between 2 and 4. So we will draw again a line. 2 and 4. Which is coming in the center? 3. So our answer is 3. 3 is coming between 2 and 4. So this way you have to read. Okay, you have to learn at your home and do practice, students. I am repeating again and again. Do well practice at your home. This all are helpful for your pre-med exams. Okay, now we are going to question number 4. And you have to write in your copy 2 times. You have to do revision. This all questions. Okay. And I will give you in PDF also. So you have to do practice at your home. Isn't it? Now question number 4 is, tick the greatest and smallest number. Question number 4. Tick the greatest and smallest number. And equals also. And equal. Tick the greatest, smaller and equal. You all know the sign of greatest. Greatest mean the mouth is open. This is called opened mouth and this one is closed. If we have to show the greatest. If we, for example, if we like chocolate, so we will open our mouth. So in this way we will open our mouth, and if we don't like anything we will close our mouth like this. So this is greatest number which we like. On that place we will open this mouth, and which we don't like, we will close our mouth like this. You all like Karela? No, some people like Karela. Not everyone like Karela, but everyone loves chocolate. So when they love chocolates, they open their mouth like this way. Okay, like this way they are opening their mouth. And if they don't like their food or Karela's, so they close their mouth like this. So greatest sign is this, and the smallest sign is this, and equal sign is this. The number which is greatest, smallest and equal. So first we will take which number is greater, which number is smaller. We are going to put this sign. We are going to put this sign. I am giving some questions. 6 dash 9, 5 dash 5, 7 dash 3, 2 dash 8. Here we are having some questions. We have to put sign here. So first one is 6 dash 9. You all are seeing that 6 is smaller than 9. So the greatest number is 9. So we will put this sign, greater sign, towards mouth will be open towards 9, and this mouth will be closed towards 6. 6 is smaller and 9 is greater. So here the sign of greatest will goes towards 9 and smaller sign goes towards 6. Now 5 dash 5. 5 is greater than 5, or 5 is both number are same. So here both number are same. So we have to put a sign of equal, because this both number is equal. Okay, not bigger than 5, not smaller than 5. Both 5 is equal. Okay, now Riya is having 7 chocolates and Rahul is having 3 chocolates. Now tell me who is having more chocolates. Of course Riya, because she is having 7 chocolates, that's why she is having more. So she is getting greater sign over here. Okay, now 2 and 8. Which number is greater? 8 is greater than 2. So we will put the sign of greater towards 8. Okay, now next question is multiple choice question, isn't it? Multiple choice question. I'm going to give you multiple choice question because in your exams these multiple choice questions will be coming, so it will helpful for your exam. Multiple choice question, isn't it? Question 1. What is the ordinal number for 7? What is the ordinal number for 7? Here I am giving you some examples. 6th, 5th and 7th. You have to choose from these options are given over here. First one is 6, second one is 5th, and third one and last one is 7th. So in these 3 options you have to choose the correct answer. So the ordinal number for 7 is 7. In this way we are writing in ordinal number. Okay, now question number 2. What comes between 4-6? Here I am giving some examples, options. 5, 6 and 3. So we have to take the correct answer. So we are having 3 options, 5, 6 and 3. So 4-6, 4, 5 and 6. So here we are having our answer, isn't it? So okay. Now I am giving this much only questions because now we have to take second option also, second question and last question, isn't it? Okay. In next class I will give more questions. Okay. Write the ordinal numbers name. Write the ordinal number name, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th and 9th. In this way we will define the number names. Okay. First, the spelling in ordinal numbers, we will write the spelling of first. So the spelling of first is F-I-R-S-T. This is your spelling for first ordinal number. Second ordinal number is, the spelling of second is S-E-C-O-N-D, second. The spelling of third is T-H-I-R-D. The spelling of fourth is F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. The spelling of fifth is F-I-F-T-H. The spelling of sixth is S-I-X-T-H. The spelling of seventh is S-E-V-E-N-T-H. The spelling of eighth is E-I-G-H-T-H. And the spelling of ninth is, you do concentration over here. Okay. The spelling of ninth is N-I-N-T-H. The spelling of 9 is, students, N-I-N-E. But in 9, E is not written over there. We will never write E over here. So, you always have to remember that in 9, the spelling of 9th is N-I-N-T-H. You don't have to write E over there. Remember that you don't have to write E over there. The spelling of 9th is N-I-N-T-H. Understand, students? So, this is enough for today. Hope you will do study at your home. Do practice this all questions, and please, students, do practice. Minimum 2 times you have to write this all question at your home, at your maths copy. Isn't it? Okay. Thank you so much.